I see the worry in the mirror, the quiet concern over every hair found on your pillow, and I want you to know you are not alone. In fact, what many don't realise is that over 50% of women will experience noticeable hair loss in their lifetime. This isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's about dormant potential waiting to be reawakened. Deep within your scalp, thousands of hair follicles may not be gone, but merely sleeping, waiting for the right signal to begin growing once more. The science we'll be exploring is a process known as percutaneous collagen induction, or more simply, microneedling. Imagine a tool that creates thousands of imperceptible microchannels in the scalp's surface. This isn't about damage, it's a precise controlled signal. As the Cleveland Clinic's research highlights, this action triggers a cascade of healing responses. Your body perceives these microchannels as a minor injury and immediately dispatches powerful regenerative factors to the area, initiating a profound process of renewal from within. So, how does this renewal translate to hair? The process is twofold. Firstly, the micro-injuries dramatically increase blood flow to the scalp, delivering a rush of oxygen and vital nutrients directly to the follicle's root. Secondly, and most critically, it stimulates the release of specific growth factors like vascular endothelial growth factor, or VEGF. This powerful protein is instrumental in waking up the stem cells located in a part of the follicle called the bulge, signaling them to shift from a dormant state back into the active hair-producing anagen phase. To harness this potential, precision is paramount. For hairline regrowth, a needle length of 0.5 millimeters is typically most effective, penetrating just deep enough to stimulate the follicle without causing unnecessary trauma. The technique involves gently rolling the device over the target area, vertically, horizontally, and diagonally, applying only light, even pressure. And hygiene is non-negotiable. Your device must be meticulously sterilized in an isopropyl alcohol solution before and after every single use to prevent any risk of infection and ensure the process remains purely regenerative. Synergistic nutrition. Your body cannot build strong, healthy hair from nothing. You must provide the essential building blocks. First, let's address iron. Low ferritin, your body's iron storage protein, is a primary driver of shedding. Aim to incorporate at least 1 cup of cooked lentils or spinach into your daily meals. The goal is to support a ferritin level above 70 ng/ml. Second, zinc is non-negotiable for producing keratin, the very protein your hair is made of. A small handful, about 30 grams, of pumpkin seeds each day provides a potent dose. Finally, and most importantly, is adequate protein intake. Hair is over 90% protein. You must consume enough to support all your body's needs, with enough left over for hair synthesis. A practical target for many women is 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of ideal body weight. For a 65-kilo woman, that's 78 grams daily, the equivalent of a chicken breast, 2 eggs, and a serving of Greek yogurt. This isn't just a diet, it's the raw material for regrowth. Finally, we integrate this with a holistic lifestyle approach to create an unshakable foundation for hair health. The first pillar is managing stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that can prematurely push hair follicles into the shedding phase. The solution is not to eliminate stress, but to manage your response to it. I want you to implement a non-negotiable 10-minute daily practice of box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. This simple act physiologically calms the vagus nerve, reducing cortisol's damaging impact. Second, enhance your rolling with the right topicals. After rolling, the scalp is primed for absorption. Look for serums with copper peptides, which are clinically shown to support the follicle base and collagen production. Avoid formulations with heavy, non-soluble silicones or harsh sulfates, which can create buildup and block the very follicles you're trying to stimulate. This final step, combining a calm internal state with targeted external support, is what creates the truly transformative, lasting results you are seeking.